This morning I woke up to the news that, well, you see it here. There's, well, there's a little bit of a controversy in the bird community. Um, Twitter, previously a contender for the top 10 birds, uh, has been bought by billionaire Elon Musk. And, well, I I don't know what to say. Okay. I feel a little betrayed by the bird community. Uh, I thought we all had agreed that the Twitter bird was one of the most beloved birds. But now this recent news that's just come out, I don't know what to think. How can they do this? How can they do this without asking me? They didn't even think, what do you think about the Twitter bird? I don't even know. I mean, he's not even anywhere close to Daft Duck. I mean, or Numpster One, but Christ, Twitter Bird is he was a legend, okay? He was a legend in the community, and now they've gone, and they turned him into an X. This X doesn't even look like a bird. That's bottom 10 birds. Shame on you, Elon Musk. You've killed the dream of so many bird lovers out there. I'm sorry. Goodbye.